So effective mass m star. So the mass of the electron will change in a periodic potential region, right? So potential energy is minimum and potential energy is maximum. So with the periodic arrangement of positive ion, the potential energy also changes. So this is actually called as effective mass, and it is given as h square by d square e by dk square. So the energy of the electron is given as h cross omega. It is nothing but h nu. So next we will have d by dk, that is h cross d omega by dk. But what is d omega by dk? It is velocity. So velocity is 1 by h cross d by dk. Okay, so but we know omega by k. Omega by k is v. Omega is 2 pi nu by k is 2 pi by lambda. So it is like v is equal to nu lambda. Once you know the velocity, then you find acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but dv by dt, that is 1 by h cross d by dt of d by dk. So in this derivation we will have something like this: d by dk and next d by dk into dk by dt. So just we are dividing and multiplying by dk. It is something like d by dt only. Okay, so this is acceleration. Now here we want to find value of dk by dt. So dk by dt we have to find out and substitute. For the motion of electron or electron wave, when we consider, the momentum is given as p is equal to h cross k. If k is propagation vector, where we consider electron wave, p is equal to h cross k. It is nothing but it is like lambda is equal to h by mv only, because it is h by 2 pi, k is 2 pi by lambda. Okay, so p is equal to h by lambda, or lambda is equal to h by p, that is h by mv. So p is equal to h cross k we can take. So what is dp by dt? It is force is equal to h cross dk by dt. So what is dk by dt? dk by dt is 1 by h cross dp by dt. So just substitute this in expression. Let us say a in this expression. So substituting, what do we get? We get a equal to 1 by h cross, 1 by h cross d by dk into what is dk by dt? dk by dt is 1 by h cross dp by dt. 1 by h cross dp by dt. That is 1 by h cross square. We have, of course, here it is d square e by dk square, no? D square e, so it is d square e by dk square, and this will be force. So this vector is 1 by m star, because we know f is equal to ma, or 1 by m star is equal to a by f. Now we have a equal to f into 1 by m star. So once we know 1 by m star, we can find out m star.